The Clean Air Kiosk now introduces the incredible PureSynAIRg. Utilizing the trademarked MCI multi-cluster ionization surface cleaning technology, this powerful unit cleanses the air and surfaces while running 24/7. From a central location in your home, the PureSynAIRg proactively cleans a volume of air up to 22,000 cubic feet. That's over 2,500 square feet in the average home, and eliminates the dust that feeds dust mites and other pests. And since clean air is the absence of any contaminants, your entire home, apartment, or office will feel crisp and clean, just like the way it feels at the beach or in the mountains. Some rooms in our homes have specific issues that will be addressed by the PureSynAIRg. Odors associated with diaper pails, carpeting, or pets are often difficult to remove, but this unit does the trick. And as a bonus, the proactive MCI technology keeps the surfaces of toys cleaner, reducing bacteria that may be left over after being handled by multiple children. Field and laboratory testing data has shown without doubt that surfaces contaminated with bacteria and other microbes can be kept cleaner with the PureSynAIRg. The MCI surface cleaning technology goes to the source of the problem and destroys E. coli, salmonella, MRSA, and many other surface-borne contaminants, keeping food contact surfaces safe for you and your family. Do you have a laundry room that smells musty or plagued with odors from the off-gassing of the cleaning products you store there? Keep your laundry room fresh and clean with the PureSynAIRg, silently removing and oxidizing the VOCs, bacteria, fungus, and odors associated with them. Many times in an office setting, your cubicle is exposed to the germs of your coworkers. Cooking odors from the microwave or secondhand smoke can pollute your space, produce allergic reactions or headaches. Remove those allergens with the effective PureSynAIRg MCI technology. The PureSynAIRg purify the air and surfaces, protect the living environment, and prevent spreading germs for people who like to breathe. For more information about this and other incredible high-tech but affordable equipment, contact the Clean Air Kiosk at 844-247-5467 or on the web at thecleanairkiosk.com.